Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to get back your deleted pictures from your Android phone. So if you deleted pictures from Android phone, if it's permanently deleted, you can get back it, you can recover it. So how it's work, I will show you three way you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, you can follow the same step. Okay, so let's go on my Android phone here. So first, in Android, every phone has this photo option, photo application. Just click on it, and if you delete photo recently, then you have to go in this library. In library, you will find the trash option. Okay, so here you will find your deleted photo. I will show you just for by deleting one photo. Okay, if I delete this photo from here, okay, I just delete it. It will move to trash now. So let's go in the library and click on trash. So you can see this photo has been here, has been moved here, and you can restore from here. Just click on it, it will be restored. Okay, and you need to click check on archive message, because sometimes what happen, your photo is archived by mistakenly. So you can check here, and if you find photo here, you can restore same as I show in trash. Okay, so this first way may be useful for you if your photo not permanently deleted. Okay, so second option I will show you. Go to the Play Store, and I use this file manager. Okay, this file manager, you can see, just download and open it. And after open, you go to the main storage. If you have memory, if you have internal memory, and if you have attach your phone, attach external memory also, then you have to check on both memories. So in my phone I have only internal memory, I don't have external memory card. So I just go to this memory only. And now you have to find DCIM folder, click on it, and here you have to click this three line and go to the view. In you just scroll down, and here you can click on show hidden files. And after hidden file, you will find the thumbnails option. Click on it, and here you can see your all deleted photos. Just click on it, and you can restore by just go on this three dot, go into this three dot. Okay, and okay, okay, hold and select it, hold and select it. After go to rename. In rename, just okay, or you can just click it, or you can move from here, or copy from here. Just move from here and move, and just come back and go to the any folder like camera, and go to the download or camera, any folder you want, or you can create new folder. Go to download, and you can paste from here. So this image will be paste here, and you can view in gallery or photos. Okay, so this is the second way. And last way, there is another application I use, which called Disk Trigger. Okay, this one, Disk Trigger photo recovery, you can install it. And this is simple use. You have to install it, open it, and you have to record your photo. Then it will be record your photo. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you for